Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to uninstall Crosshair X. All right. You actually have two options. So first up, if you have Crosshair X opened right here, well, you can go ahead over to options. Okay. Now go ahead and click on exit. Okay. Once that's done, the app will be closed. So all you'll do, okay, so the first option right here, just right click on your start menu, click on installed apps. Down here, just find Crosshair X. Click on all three dots and hit on uninstall. Okay, uninstall right here and just hit on yes. Okay, as there will be a prompt from Steam. Now, another option is by just opening up Steam. Okay, go ahead over to library. Down here, just gotta find a Crosshair X. Okay, right click on it, click on manage and just hit on uninstall. Now just basically click on uninstall right here. And once that's done, you're good to go. Okay, you can now go ahead and restart your computer. This one is optional, but it's better to restart your computer. And after that, your Crosshair X will be uninstalled. Okay, if you have the Crosshair X extension, well, just right click on start menu, install the apps once more, and just find the Crosshair X extension. And after that, you're good to go as well. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.